Digiscope diary. I've just got back from Photokina. I've been working on the Olivon stand, and I just want to take you through some of the brand new Digiscoping products that Olivon are going to be bringing out soon. First up is this brand new eyepiece from Olivon. It's 27x zoom. It's made with ED glass and super sharp, excellent bright images. Using the eyepiece couldn't be easy. It's just a simple case of unlocking the quick release system, pull out the existing eyepiece, take your new one, push in, and then just simply tighten up. And that's all there is to it. The eye relief cap just twists, get that in position, and then twist back in. This new eyepiece is going to be great for Digiscoping. It's 27x magnification, which is perfect. It's ED glass, very sharp, and it's also got a wide field of view, so vignetting is going to be virtually non-existent.
I've attached my camera now to the spotting scope via a Digiscoping adapter, and you can see there's very minimal vignetting just in the corners here. So if I just apply a tiny touch of optical zoom, we now fill the image.
Next up is the brand new second generation universal Digiscoping adapter from Olivon. Very exciting, this product. What's nice about this is the way they've designed this new product is it not only fit Olivon scopes. I went round most of the major manufacturers at Photokina and tried this on their eyepieces, and it also fitted with those scopes. To use the new UDCA on the Olivon T84 EDO, we put this tube on, screws on direct to the scope body, and this has got a slot cut out of it so that we can still use the zoom of the eyepiece. Once the tube's secure, it's just a simple matter of placing the adapter over the tube and then just tighten up. And that's literally all there is to it. You're now ready to attach your camera. Okay, before I attach the camera, I'll just take you through a few of the basics. You've got 4 slots here, so you can move your tripod filter thread backwards and forwards. You can also unscrew this lever and move the adapter up and down. You've got vertical alignment there, just unscrew and then tighten up. And you've got a built-in cable release for adding a cable release cable to help minimise shake. Okay, now you can see that everything is in place. My camera's on the 3rd slot back. I've used the width adjustment there to get my camera perfectly aligned. I've got the adapter in the right place for the zoom lens on my camera. I've got the height perfect. I've used the cable release now. I've adjusted the height and the depth, so I've got perfect alignment there to fire the shutter. It's a very sturdy setup, very simple, very effective. If you're using a non-Olivon scope, simply there's no need for the tube that screws onto the actual scope body. Just simply attach the adapter to your eyepiece. So slide over, find the right position, and just tighten up using the screw. Then you can adjust to get your camera lined up with your scope. Finally, we've got this brand new photo adapter, which is for everybody who wants to use a DSLR using the Olivon T84 EDO. What Olivon have done with this adapter is, because of the sophisticated optics and the T84 EDO, they've come up with this bit of equipment which takes the image from the scope. It's got a small aperture in the adapter which projects the scope image onto your DSLR mirrors, so it's perfectly in the right place to get the sharpest image possible. So in order for this to work, to get this attached to the scope, there's 3 components. Obviously your DSLR camera body, the photo adapter, and a T2 mount which screws into the photo adapter, the T2 mount then into your camera body. I use a Canon DSLR body, so I'm using a Canon T2 mount. Just whatever brand you're using, just choose the right T2 mount, connect that to the adapter, and then that will go into your camera body. To attach the DSLR, the adapter to the scope, remove your eyepiece, just pull that out, screw your T2 mount onto the end of the adapter, there we go. The adapter screws onto the scope body with the same thread that you use for other Digiscoping adapters. Just get that lined up, screw that on. There we go. And then take your camera DSLR body, line up the two dots so it sits on, click into place, and if you want to adjust where your camera sits, there's a small scrub screw there, tighten up, and that's it. You're ready to start Digiscoping with your DSLR. Hope you've enjoyed looking at these new products from Olivon. It's an exciting time for the Digiscoper, especially with the T84 EDO. There's some great products coming out for it. I'm going to be putting them through the paces over the next few weeks, so check the website to see how I get on. Or also I'll let you know as soon as the dates come out for the release of these products, I'll post it on the site.